You know what? I was this close to get fired and this close to earn little extra than my salary. But what made me change my plan? The big plan. Just like you, I also wanted to start a side business along with my full-time job, but I had no idea where to begin with. Do I need some extra degree or huge budget? What to do, where to go, how to start, and whom to ask? But what if I tell you that you can earn little extra by starting your own part-time business along with your full-time job? And on top of that, it is low in risk, high in profit. You must be thinking, she might be joking because everything sounds so unreal. This is why I'm here for. Hi, my name is Simi and today I am your business planning partner from Bosswala. By the end of this video, you will have an entire plan for your part-time business which you can do along with your full-time job. Every third person these days have a side hustle. But how did they all started? Where did the idea came from? Because this is me struggling between my sleep and my job and they are balancing both smoothly. But worry not. Things have changed now. Now you have me and I have done all my research and I have all the plan that you need to know to start your own side hustle. That means your own side business along with your full-time job. So there are three categories of business that we will be discussing today. Number one, online and digital business. Number two, traditional and local businesses. And lastly, scalable and niche businesses. So to begin with, what all comes in online and digital businesses? Suppose you are a graphic designer and you might be working in a different sector. Then start creating Canva templates or ebook. List them on various relatable platforms as a digital product selling. In fact, you can reach out to creative professional or writers or post your work on relatable platform. Next, we have YouTube automation. YouTube is something we all want, but insecurities, camera consciousness, there are so many bridges to cross before you take the first step. But aren't I here to solve your problem? So try YouTube automation. No face, no talking. Scripts, voiceover editing, everything can be outsourced. Even you can do it as per your niche, be traveling, health, finance, or anything that you like. Create a YouTube channel and start posting. Slowly, you will monetize from ad and see you grow in the next 3 to 4 months. You know what? I am someone who loves talking about skincare, be it serum, sunscreen. I love reading about them and recommending to my friends and family. But what do I get in return? Nothing. But now you can earn without a product by just talking about it. This is called affiliate marketing. Start talking about why to buy, reviews, or even benefits, along with the e-commerce affiliate link, so that every time someone buys through your link, you can get your commission. Cool, right? See, it might take 3 to 4 months to build a wide range of audience, but once you crack the game, there is no looking back. The next we have podcasting. Most of us love discussing on multiple topics. Then why not monetize from conversation by starting your own podcast? We all know that podcasts help you to reach wider audience through multiple streaming platforms. Now, someone who holds an expertise on career advices, finances, relationship coaching, health and fitness, or even storytelling, this is your time. Start with minimum setup, low budget, and see your personal brand grow in no time. But do you know what's the best part of podcast? The best part is it requires 2 to 3 hours per week of your time and can be published on multiple streaming platforms like Apple, Spotify, YouTube, Facebook, and even on Instagram. And someday you can have me as your guest as well. Can I ask you something? If we can work from home, then why not online coaching or teaching from home? That's what I'm asking. Who is stopping you? This is something that is never out of demand. So if you're already working in a different sector like banking, management, or someone who knows multiple language or skill or want to teach a specific subject, then you can start your online tutoring via Zoom, or relatable platform. Market your business via WhatsApp, Facebook, or Google Ad. Moving on to our next category, traditional and local businesses. There are businesses that can be done locally and keeping traditional customers in mind. So number one, we have rental businesses. There are people who want to try before they buy something, or there are people who don't want to invest at all. They are fully dependent on renting certain products, from DSLR cameras to car, bike, tools, jewelry, or even furniture. Anything and everything can be put on rent these days. You can earn based on product, services, and duration. And the best way to begin is to start advertising locally and rent everything on rental apps. And number two, we have home bakery and cloud kitchen. Every Bollywood movie has taught me this. To reach someone's heart is to give them good food. And this is what you can do. Be it student, working professional, or someone who doesn't know how to cook, need good home cooked meal every day. You can be their savior by starting your own home bakery or cloud kitchen. For homemakers, it is great to start with tiffin services or even home bakery, providing pastries, cookies, and even cupcakes. But if you are someone who is a working professional, the best way is to go for dry snacks, pickles, or even sweets, so that it can be easily managed post-work and on weekends. Sell it on social media, food delivery app, or on WhatsApp community. And number three, we have car washing and auto detailing. Anyone who is a car enthusiastic and is looking for a part-time job or a side hustle, then you can go for car washing and car detailing. This service is always high on demand, has flexible hours, and can be provided door-to-door services. Market it on social media or even try out reaching to apartment or mall to take your first step. At number four, we have photography and videography. Experts say try what you love. Make your hobby your passion. So if you are someone who knows the game of lenses, then this one is just for you. From product shoot to events, special portraits, and wedding, there is no end. You can expand as per your convenience. Start posting your work on social media, approach local influencer, restaurant, or even stores. At number five, we have fitness training and personal trainer. And what if I tell you all these things can be provided by just one click? Because with work commitment, one thing that suffers the most is our health. We don't have time to go to the gym. But what if your gym comes to you? Start your online coaching like Zumba, yoga, or even weight training. Have multiple batches as per your preference. Or make up pre-recorded sessions for your client and take special sessions on weekend for diet, nutrition, all related category. It will also help you to balance between your work and your side hustle. Use platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, WhatsApp community, or even start your own website. But what if you want to escape the 9-to-5 world forever? Stick around, I'll tell you step by step in their last category, scalable and niche businesses. Number one, event planning and small scale businesses. If you are someone who like organizing parties and events, then it's time to build your network. Start with intimate wedding in your circle, small corporate event, birthday parties, and even baby shower. Gradually build your connection with local vendors. Create packages and market via Instagram or Facebook. Once you are ready to go all in, build your connection and quit your job. Number two, subscription box. If you are someone who is a fitness freak or love fitness supplement or beauty product, then you can create a subscription box by providing different products from different market and launch your own subscription box. Partner with suppliers, create monthly packages, sell via Instagram or Shopify, work on evenings and on weekend. But here is a pro tip. Try selling one-time sample subscription box before you launch a full-time subscription. At number three, we have virtual assistant services. You can provide basic admin work, data entry, customer service, email handling, or even appointment booking. No special skill is required for this and also has work from home flexibility. If you have basic computer knowledge, network with small scale businesses or even online job portals or social media. At number four, we have handmade products and customized gifts. If you are someone who loves making candles, flowers, or even soft toys, soap, keychain, or wooden craft, then you can spread love with your business. Work on weekends or late evenings. Create a made to order model of a limited festive edition for a quick high sale. Last but not the least, local property management and Airbnb hosting. You know what? People earn somewhere around 70,000 without lifting their finger. How? By simply listing their property on booking.com or Airbnb. All they need to do is hire a caretaker who will take care of check-ins and cleanings. Not just that, if you don't own a house, you can still manage vacation home. List properties on Airbnb and take your profit share. Now that you have 15 business ideas that can be fit into any full-time job, let me know in the comment section which you are planning to do. And if you found this useful, share with someone who really needs this. And meanwhile, download Bosswala app now. Bosswala help you to learn practical strategies and framework directly from successful business owners through video courses and one-to-one video call. Not just that, Bosswala provide you with tool and resources to start, operate and grow your business. See you next time. Thank you for watching.
Bosswala. Be the boss.